Flexitarian living, the best of both worlds. Not ready to go fully vegan or vegetarian? You don't have to. Flexitarian eating is the sweet spot between balance and health, where you eat more plants, but still enjoy meat occasionally. In this episode, we'll explore how to do it right, and why it might just be the most sustainable way to eat. What is flexitarian eating? A flexitarian diet is mostly plant-based, but allows flexibility with occasional meat, poultry, fish, or dairy. You're not cutting out food groups, you're shifting your plate to be about 70 to 90% plants, and using animal products more mindfully. Think lentil curry with a sprinkle of yogurt, a veggie stir-fry with tofu or shrimp, a plant-powered week with a Sunday roast. This isn't about guilt, it's about conscious choices that align with your goals and lifestyle. Why flexitarian is catching on. It's realistic, no strict rules, just better habits. Great for families, you can customize meals easily. Supports health, you get the same benefits as a plant-based diet, with added flexibility. Less restrictive, which makes it easier to maintain long-term. Plus, people who eat less meat still enjoy lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. How to start eating flexitarian. Here are 5 ways to transition without feeling overwhelmed. 1. Start with meatless Mondays. 2. Make plants the star, build meals around vegetables, grains, and legumes. 3. Use animal products as a garnish, not the main event. 4. Try plant swaps, tofu instead of chicken, lentils instead of beef. 5. Batch prep plant-based staples, think bean chili, veggie soups, quinoa salads. It's not about being perfect, it's about consistency over time. Flexitarian eating isn't a trend, it's a lifestyle that empowers you to eat more plants without feeling boxed in. Tell me below, would you try flexitarian eating? Or are you already doing it? Next up, plant-based protein, where do you get yours? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.